Hello friends. Hope all of you are fine. Today we will visit Satkosia Reserve Forest in the state of Odisha, India. You can watch Satkosia cinematic by clicking above link. In Satkosia there are 5 different locations to stay. Apart from Sand Resort, one can stay at Bahgamunda, Chhotkei, Tarava, and Tikirpada. We managed to stay at Chhotkei and Tikirpada. So without wasting much time, let's visit Chhotkei. And we will visit Tikirpada in next video. First thing I would like to share, as there is no public transportation to come here, you have to either drive our own car or reserve the same. We reserved an Innova from Bhubaneswar. It is also recommend to save offline Google Map to navigate, as network may not available in forest area. Please watch this video till end, to get all details of Chhotkei. Chhotkei Nature Camp is situated on hilltop. Those who love lonely place to enjoy his holiday, this can be a great choice for him. This camp is oldest among all nature camp in Satkosia. Chhotkei offers both AC and non-AC Swiss tent with attached bath. Do not expect much in rooms. You shall find basic amenities here only. Like one table with 2 chairs, 1 cover shoe rack, dressing table and queen size bed. Bathroom is with one basin and Western style toilet. All booking comes with meal. Here meal include breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. So when are you coming? Your feedback does matter. Please give the same about this place and video in comment box. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive all my video first. Thank you for watching and see you in next Tikirpada video.